In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently add the Wix Events or RSVP app to your website, customize the form to suit your needs, and finally publish your updated site. This is a simple process that can greatly enhance the functionality of any site that hosts events, whether they're in-person gatherings or virtual meetups. To get started, first, you'll want to navigate to your Wix dashboard. This is your command center for making changes to your site. Once you're there, look for the Apps section in the sidebar. Clicking on this will take you to the Wix App Market, a fantastic resource for adding new capabilities to your site. Using the search bar at the top of the page, type in Wix Events or RSVP. Both of these apps are designed to help you manage event registration directly through your Wix website, making it a breeze for you and your visitors. Select the app that best fits your needs. For instance, the Wix Events app offers a robust set of features including ticket management, organizing events, and receiving payments. Once you've decided, click on the Add to Site button. Wix will automatically guide you through the steps to integrate the app into your existing framework. You should see a pop-up window asking you to confirm your choice, and you'll want to say yes to proceed. After you've successfully added the app, the next step is to customize the event form to align with the specifics of your gathering. Go back to your Wix editor, where you can now see the newly added app on your website. Click on it, and you'll have access to an array of customization options. This is where you can personalize the welcome text for your guests, adjust the settings to gather the necessary information, and perhaps include custom fields that cater specifically to your event. You can even adjust the layout and design to match the overall aesthetics of your site, ensuring a seamless experience for your visitors. Once you're satisfied with your changes, it's a good idea to preview how your event will appear to your audience. Use the preview option in Wix to see your site as if you were a visitor. This is your chance to catch any inconsistencies or areas that could be refined before going live. Review your form carefully to ensure everything is as you want it. Now, the final and very satisfying step is to publish your site. Return to your Wix editor, where you'll find the all-important Publish button at the top right of the screen. Click it, and your new or updated event page will be live, showcasing the custom RSVP or event form you've just meticulously created. You've successfully integrated and customized the Wix Events or RSVP app, poised now to engage your audience more effectively. Whether you're hosting a large conference or an intimate concert, this functionality is a game changer for managing event information smoothly and professionally.